Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are making a red velvet smoothie. This smoothie is so delicious and it's full of healthy ingredients and some coffee, so it's a little bit of a pick-me-up. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do for the smoothie is add your ice in. And today you can use 1 to 2 cups of ice. The more ice you add, the thicker your smoothie will be. So it's just up to your preference. Next thing I'm going to add in is my bananas, and today I have 2 cups of frozen bananas, as well as 1 1/4 cups of frozen raspberries. And I also have some cocoa powder today. I have 4 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And as a little sweetener, I have 4 teaspoons of honey. And I'm also going to be adding in my coffee today. So I have just some cold brew coffee, and we have 1/2 cup of it, along with some milk. Today I'm using unsweetened almond milk, but you can really use whatever milk you want, and we have 2 cups of that going in. And now this smoothie feeds 3 to 4 people, so if you're just making it for yourself, feel free to cut this recipe in half. Now that we've blended it together and it looks so pretty, we can pour it and have a taste. Now, this last step is optional, but I really love it because I love whipped cream. So you can use coconut whipped cream if you want to make this completely vegan, or you can use heavy whipping cream, which I did today. I took 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract and whipped it up. So now I'm just going to top my smoothie. And I'm also going to put some shavings of dark chocolate on the top. And I also made some little raspberry skewers today, which I think are just super cute and pretty. And I'm going to add one in. Ooh, I don't want to mess up. Oh, it's over full. Well, I'm going to add it into the other one because I filled this one a little bit too much. Now the best part, getting to taste it. So delicious. This is honestly just a dessert in drink form, but it's healthy and it has some coffee, so it's a great way to start your morning, which I absolutely love. I want to say a special thank you to Abbey's Kitchen, who I got this recipe from because it's so tasty and good. Also, if you like smoothies as much as I do, there should be a playlist right over here or over here of all of my healthy smoothie recipes that you can check out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!